Hi there, welcome back again to the channel. Very quickly today I'll be making part 2 tutorial on how to make this flounce style. And if you're a subscriber, thank you for staying with me. If you're not a subscriber yet, you're welcome, and please do subscribe to the channel. So here is the down part of the style I'm making, which is the play part of the dress. So before taking this to my machine now, I will take down 2.5 inches because I won't be putting the pocket directly from the waistline, so I'll be leaving some inches just for sewing allowance, and then for a space in between the pocket and the waistline. So here is the 2.5 inches. I will then take my scissors and then I will notch both sides together just to make sure it's accurate before joining the pockets into the skirt. So then I'll take it all over again, which is the 2.5 inches, and then I will notch it. So as you can see, that's it for the skirts. Then I'll then sew it after applying the guys. So this is the bodice now. What I will do is I'll take, like I explained before, I'll take this like so, and then I'll take the back also from the shoulder downwards. I'll be taking it from that end, which is 9 inches, to the end of the body. So I'll go now, come back and show you how it is. So here is it. This is the outcome after joining everything together. So here is it. Here is the pocket, the wrong side of the fabric. This is the pocket. As you can see, after going down by 2.5 inches and then I stitched it, I joined the down together. So here is the finishing part of the skirt. So as you can see how neat and beautiful this looks on the right side. In everything which is the skirt part with 1/2 inch all through, and you can see how beautiful this looks, like I said earlier. And that will be all for the skirt part. So here is the back side of the top, which is the dress I'm making, and here is the bias area I did. But before doing this bias, before applying the bias, I ran the darts, which is the princess dart I told you all about. So this is it. As you can see how tiny that looks, and I did not cut it before joining it, so it is what it is. So that is it. And here is the other side. As you can see, I already made this flounce around the other side of this blouse. So what I did is I stitched this from the center part. So, and again, when you're putting it, as I did here, I measured just 1 inches from the shoulder side, 1 inches before joining it. So I joined it from this end, as you can see how I am showing you now in the video. So as you can see how this place is, so I had to stitch it directly immediately after the dart. So I did likewise to the front side. As you can see how it is looking very close to this dart on the down part of the dart area. So that's it for the flounce. So as you can see how beautiful this is looking already. So what I will do now, I will then go to the machine and stitch that area down facing the waist side seam. so just to make it face the shoulder part of the dress. So I'll then trim that out. So here's the second part of the flounce. So what I'll do likewise just the way I did for the other side. So after doing that, I'll flip the dress, which is this bodice, now to the wrong side, and then I'll stitch it down by the measurements of the dress I'm making. So after stitching it down, I'll join both together, and that will be all for the dress part. So here is the belt, which is 2 inches wide, and I already joined it, as you can see. So I'll then be passing this with something. I'll be passing it now with my ruler, as you can see me doing in this video. So just watch me through the way I do it, and I'll flip it to the right side, and that will be all for this part. So guys, thank you again for watching my videos, and for your support. I appreciate it. God bless you. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing to the channel, for your support. And again, if you're not a subscriber, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like, comment to my videos, and share this video to your loved ones. And again, I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Until I see you again.